Hey everyone, as announced in my previous video, which was all about assembling liner Jonson, here's the first part of the painting tutorial for the Primarch of the Dark Angels. This part is all about the armor. The main amount of paints used is pretty comprehensible, namely Caliban green for the typical Dark Angels look mixed with black for an even darker overall impression, followed by Dark Reaper for the first dark highlights and principal shaping, and rounded off with Fenrisian grey for final edge and dot highlights. The main challenge in painting this awesome model lies in blending the different colors together into a subtle matte appearance. By the way, if you want to dive deeper into the topic of color blending, make sure to check out my Patreon page. There you will find in-depth tutorials about the different blending techniques and their application. So let's start by applying one thin coat of Caliban green. This step is for giving the whole armor the typical Dark Angels feel, but only as a hint in the background, hence one thin coat. As you will later see, the main color of the armor is much darker. Then we mix Caliban green and Abaddon black to paint in the flat areas and recesses, leaving out the wider edges. And even after the highlighting that will come up next, the Caliban green will still be subtly showing. Now we apply our first highlight of Dark Reaper around all the edges. To leave no visible edges along the transition between the paints, we mix Dark Reaper with our Abaddon black and Caliban green mix and use this mixture as a glaze for blending. We also mix Dark Reaper with pure Caliban green for the wider edges to be brighter. Next is time to move towards brighter highlights. To build it up slowly and steadily, we first apply a 50-50 mix of the former paint used for highlights, which was Dark Reaper and Fenrisian grey. Then we mix in more and more Fenrisian grey until it's the pure paint for the final highlights. Again, for clean and smooth transitions, feel free to go back and forth between darker and brighter mixes. You don't have to work linearly here. If you'd like to know what kind of brushes I use and if you're interested in some discount codes and other goodies, just check out the info box. And that's it for the Armour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay informed about the upcoming parts of this painting tutorial. Also, if you enjoyed this clip, please feel free to leave a like to help my channel grow. Thank you very much.